Hello y'all, this is Mrs. Okoro and I'm back again with another domain and range video. This time I'm going to show you how to find the domain and range of an absolute value function. So let's quickly define domain and range. Domain is all of the x values of a function. Range are all of the y values of a function. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, so when I try to find my domain, I always tell my students, we're always going to start left to right. It's similar to reading a book. So on the left-hand side here, notice the end behavior of my graph. I have an arrow on the end. The arrow lets me know it is continuous. Continuous meaning it includes -1, -2, -3, every number in between, and so forth. Numbers smaller than -3, and it's going to keep on going. All right, so this graph is going to include every negative number you can think of. And I look on the right-hand side. The right-hand side in behavior also has an arrow. So that means it includes all positive x values. So I need a way to say that I'm going to include all negative numbers, all positive numbers, 0 included. One way we can do this is just by writing out all real numbers. Okay, another way to write this out is we can say from negative infinity to positive infinity. All right, and that is our domain. Now we're going to find the range. When we find the range, we're looking at our graph and we're going from bottom to top. What is the smallest y value for this graph? Down here, this is the bottom. We'll go from bottom to top. This is the lowest portion, and this is 0. And the end behavior of this graph goes up to infinity. It's just going to keep on going, 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 going. So how can we write out our graph begins at 0 and it does not end? Well, one way to write this, we're going to start with our y, and we're going to say it is all values greater than or equal to 0, because it is. Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, and every number in between. Okay, all numbers greater than or equal to 0. Another way we can write this out, we can say 0, put our y in the center, and then positive infinity. Now we gotta put our less than symbols. All right, so since we are including this 0 here, we're gonna put a line underneath. All right, so it's less than or equal to here, and then positive infinity. We're not gonna put a line underneath infinity. And this is our range from 0 to positive infinity. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to drop your comments or questions in the chat. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.